on the edge of a nondescript industrial park in Lancaster, at the site of an abandoned driving range. Glimpses of a 55-foot tower outfitted with black pipes and cameras, and which sometimes glows with the light of many suns, suggest something out of the ordinary is happening behind the property's gaw. Here, Pasadena-based startup Heliogen is perfecting its version of a concentrated solar power plant. A field of mirrors have been programmed to follow the sun and beam light up to a tower-top receiver, which is linked to a system that can capture and store intense heat. The goal, Chief Scientist Steve Schell explains, is to help all sorts of energy-intensive industries use the sun rather than fossil fuels to keep their operations running 24 hours a day without adding carbon to Earth's atmosphere. And the company just won a $4.1 million grant from the Department of Energy to pilot a system that could help decarbonize one massive and particularly challenging industry, cement. While it doesn't often get the same attention as sectors like oil and gas, the cement industry is responsible for an estimated 7% of all global carbon emissions, producing some 2.7 billion tons of carbon dioxide per year. Put another way, if cement producers were a country, they'd be the number 3 carbon emitter in the world behind China and the United States. The busiest and therefore heaviest carbon-producing cement plant in California is in San Bernardino County. Cemex's plant on the northern edge of Victorville was responsible for more than a quarter of carbon emissions produced by the sector in 2019, or nearly as much carbon as all railroad operations statewide. 3 of California's 7 active cement plants are in San Bernardino County's high desert, which is rich with the material's key ingredient of limestone. Combined, the Cemex plant, a CalPortland Company facility in Oro Grande and a Mitsubishi Cement plant in Lucerne Valley emit nearly as much carbon from their 3 sites as California's entire aviation sector. California's cement plants have made significant strides in reducing their carbon footprint over the past 2 decades, largely by making their operations more energy efficient.